Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. So we have already installed our solution on this vehicle, and today we are going to test the refill. So we will drain 200 liter right now from this vehicle, and we will check what is the outcome on our platform. So let's start. So we can see 496 liter fuel in the fuel tank when we were draining. Before the draining it was the value. So we will wait few minutes and then we will recheck again. We have drained 200 liter, and as you can see, so we are checking on our platform. So you can see on our platform we are getting 199.91 liter. So we have drained 200 liter, exact 200 liter, and we are getting 199.91 liter on the platform. So you can check it. So we are getting 100% accuracy here, 99.9% accuracy here, and now we will again refill 200 liter to this vehicle, and we will check the refill as well. It was drained last time. We drained 200 liter, and as we have shown you 200 liter value on the platform. Right now we will refill 200 liter manually from this chart. Okay, start. So we have provided 200 liter, and we will check now on the platform. So we have refilled 200 liter and we have drained 200 liter manually, and we have provided the video. So you can see here that on the platform we are getting 199.84 liter drain out of 200 liter, and we are getting 199.75 liter refill out of 200 liter. So you can check the accuracy of our system when we are doing it manually. Thank you.